Hello friends and welcome to Think Python. Today we'll learn about logical operators. Logical operators are used whenever we need to check multiple conditions. And the basic logical operators that we are going to learn today is one is the AND operator, right? So AND operator is used whenever we need to ensure that condition 1 and condition 2 both are true. Second operator is the OR operator. So OR operator is used whenever we have this condition that either of the two conditions may be true. So if condition number 1 is true or condition number 2 is true, then the particular set of code would be executed. Third logical operator that we'll learn today is the NOT operator. So NOT is basically the condition where we do not require that particular condition to be true, right? So these are the three logical operations that we are going to learn today. So let's begin. I'll take a small example. Now let us say we have a job opening, and this job opening has three basic conditions. One is the undergraduate, or you can simply say the graduate. The second is the candidate should be postgraduate, and third condition is the experience. So we'll check different permutation and combination of all these three requirements and see how we can implement the logical operators, right? So let us say first of all, I'll say that I take a variable graduate and I define this to be true, right? So how can you define this to be true? If I'm using this expression true or false, then if I say true, it means that the being graduate is true. That means the candidate is graduate. Similarly, if I say that graduate is equal to false, then this would indicate, or Python would infer, that the candidate is not a graduate, right? Now next is a postgraduate. So I'll write PG for postgraduate and I set this to true. Then the experience, so I'll use the variable experience and I set this to true. So for the time being, let's set this graduate also to true only, right? So now all these three variables are true. That means the so and so person is a graduate, is a postgraduate and has experience also, right? So now let's understand the implementation of logical operators. Now for example, company A wants that the candidate should be a graduate also, he should be a PG also, and he should have experience also. So the condition becomes that if we'll say graduate, now I want all three to be true at the same time, right? So for that we'll use AND operator. So if graduate and PG and experience, right? So if all these are there, then I should print a message which says you are eligible for this job, right? So this is the message that should be printed at the output. So let's first run the code and see what the output is there. So I'll hit the run button and it is printed that you are eligible for this job. Why? Because all the three conditions were true and the if statement says that all three should be available for a candidate to be eligible. Here I can also add one line of code where I can say that I can define an else also. We have already learnt about if and else. You can watch the previous video if you are having any confusion in this. So I define else print. Now what do I want to be printed? I want another message which says you are not eligible for this job. Perfect, right? So now let's change one of the conditions. Let us say the candidate is graduate but not a postgraduate. So this condition if becomes false, right? Now if I run the code, try to make out what message would be displayed, whether it would be you are eligible for this job or you are not eligible for this job. Now I want all the three conditions to be true, but the candidate is not a postgraduate, so I should get you are not eligible for this job. Let's run and check. Beautiful. So we've got you are not eligible for this job. So this is how we use AND operator. Now the next operator is the OR operator. OR operator is used whenever we have the liberty or a cushion of maybe I can say that out of the three, if two conditions are satisfied, then I should print this message that you are eligible for this job. So for that I will remove this AND operator here and I'll instead say OR. So I'll say if graduate or postgraduate and experience is must. So for now let's only focus on the OR operator. So I'll say if a candidate is graduate or postgraduate or experience, that means either all of the conditions be present, or even if one condition is present, then this message would be printed. So I'll run the code. So you are eligible for this job, right? Because the candidate was graduate and was having experience also. So if I make this condition to be false, right? So the candidate is not a graduate, is not a postgraduate, but he is having experience, right? So what would be printed? Again, you are eligible for this job, because we had OR condition here, which means that even if one condition is satisfied, the candidate is eligible for this job. Now what would happen if even the candidate is not having experience also? So if this condition is also set to false, now if I run the code, so the message is you are not eligible for this job, because none of the conditions are satisfied here, right? So this is how we use and or logical operators. There's one more logical operator which is not, right? So not can be used if, I'll change here only. So if graduate and not PG, so here also I'll use and experience. So what is my condition here? I want the candidate to be graduate and not PG. I don't want the candidates who are PG, so that's why I've said not PG, but I want the experience and experience, right? So here the condition, let's make all the conditions to be true. So PG is also true and the candidate is having experience also, correct. Now what would happen? See, the candidate is a graduate, true, if graduate and not PG. When I say not PG, that means it will pick this condition only when it is false, right? But here the condition is set to true. So the message should be you are not eligible for this job. So let's run the code and check. Yes, you are not eligible for this job, right? So this is how you can use the not operator along with the AND operator when you do not want to pick a condition, right? So I hope you understood the concept of logical operators. Try out one small exercise where take the age of the candidate and maybe the gender, male or female, and based on the age and gender you can print a message whether a student is eligible for a particular course or not, right? Should you face any problem, please write it down in the comment section. I'll be there to help you out. Till then, happy coding. Goodbye.